Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got 2004 Toyota Corolla and we are changing the ignition coil on this car. So to change the ignition coil we have two 10mm screws over there which we have to open. So to open these you need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. You can just untighten them. And then you can remove the cover like this, and these are your ignition coil 1 2 3 4. So first thing we have to unplug all of them. So there is a clip over there, you can just press it down and then pull it. This way you can take it out, all of them. So once you take it out, these are the 4 screw which you have to open. These are also 10 mm. So just once you remove all the screw, you can pull out your ignition coil like this. That's how it is, like all of them. And we are changing with these one which I got it from Amazon. As you can see the difference between new and the old one. And before installation make sure these are all of same size. So I already checked and they are same size, right? And we are changing because the car is consuming so much gas. And in the old video we already show you guys how to change the spark plug, right? So today it's time to change ignition coil. So to install new one you have to just pull it a little bit down like this, and then you can screw the bolts. So once you are done putting all the coil in their holes, you can put the screw back and tighten them. So guys, if you don't have a torque wrench, it's all right, you can just hand tight them. Make sure they are properly tight. There is no specific, if you don't have any specific torque wrench or something like that, once you are done with tightening, you can just plug the connectors back. And after that you guys can put the cover back and put these two screw 10 mm over there, and that's how you can change the ignition coil on Toyota Corolla. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.